Got another stock lined up here, CACH, cash, great name for a stock, that one. Just looking for a possible long one here and all. Got that moving average just sitting on top of the price at the moment. Slightly concerned about that. But the pattern's alright. Got a gap there that we might close, and just keeping an eye on the time of sales there. Watching for a bit of momentum. Try and carry us through that. Yeah, going on there. That's it, just got filled in there. 1,000 shares at 16.31. Just having a little look at DN here. Setting up for a possible short. Pattern's not brilliant, I have to say. Having said that, gapped up this morning. It's been looking pretty weak ever since. Been trading in a range. Could be breaking down now, about to break down. Just gone through the EMA. Although strictly speaking, that's not part of my trading setup, but always nice to keep an eye on it. So just watching the old momentum here to see if we can get a possible entry on here. I'm going to take a short here. It just got filled there at 24.07 on that. For some reason that chart ain't updated. There we go. Well, that chart updated for you. That's just broken down to 24. That's breaking down very nicely. This is looking like a quick scalp trade if this closes that gap. Got in there at 24.07 now, down at 81.80. It's breaking down very quick there. Watching very closely time of sales. Taking off here. Just got filled off there at 73, which was gives me a quick profit of $170 in the bank there, as that moved very quick there, and I fully expect that to retrace a little bit after that old number. So that's just put $170 in the bank, and gives me a bit of an opportunity to loosen my stop off a bit there, and then ride the rest of this one all the way down as far as we can get it. Just back on DNDN, as you can see, this is falling like a stone here. Got in short at where are we? 24.07 on that, now down at 22.35. Not sure what's happening with this stock. It's popping up and down all over the place. Did get off quite early on for $170 profit, but this is dropping very, very quickly. Dropped well over $1 there. Looking to get out of the rest of this position quite quick now. Generally when stocks fall that quick, there's quite a big retracement to follow. Drops off even further here. Awful lot of volume going through here now. Chart's getting a little bit stuck, in fact, with the volume that's going through. Now down at 20.35. I'm actually now closing out here. Well, I just closed out there. I just got filled on there at 20.81. We got $170 on the first half of that trade, $1,630 on the second half, and as you can see from that chart, that's climbing back up pretty quick now. Just back here on cash, CACH, got into this one at 16.31, which is around here somewhere, around about the moving average, which was giving us a bit of grief. This one's stalling around here, so I'm just going to come out of this one. Got some nice money off that other D&D trade, so we're closing out that trade there. Just waiting for that to get filled there. Volume's all bit dried up on there. There we go, just got filled there at 16.65 for a total profit of $340 on that trade, which was a little bit slow to get going, that one. That moving average did give us a little bit of grief. Finally got going a bit. Might move on a little bit further. There is a gap to close, but time's getting on a bit, and got a bit of cash in the bank. That's what matters. Well, I just want to show you a quick summary of those two trades, what I showed you today. First one was cash, CHCH, when we went long there, 1,000 shares, 16.31. Covered that up there at 16.65. That was all in and all out in one go. And the other one, of course, was DNDN, went short 1,000 shares, 24.07. Covered half of that at, what was that, exactly 30 seconds later on there. at 23.73. Covered the other half 4 minutes 4 seconds after the open of that trade at 20.81, which if we look on the old history there, if I could just bring that in so you can see the profit and loss on that, there we go. So DNDN gave us $170 on the first half and $1,630 on the second half, so it's a total of $1,800 for 4 minutes and 4 seconds that trade lasted. So CHCH gave us $340, bit of a slow mover, but it's all money in the bank and that's what counts at the end of the day. So total profit of $2,140 on those two trades for the day. I just wanted to point out and all that when I'm recording these videos, I only trade 1,000 shares because recording videos does take a bit of concentration off running the trade. If I'm not recording, then other trades I tend to trade 2,000 or 3,000 shares. So obviously, if I've been trading 2,000 shares, that would have been a profit of 4,280 on that. Whatever, I mean, 1,000 shares, that's pretty low geared. If you want to use the same sort of gearing as futures, then you can trade an awful lot more shares than that for obviously relatively more profit. So I just wanted to point that out. The videos on trading 1,000 shares makes things nice and simple, makes it easy to understand what's going on, and as I say, it just makes it a bit easier for me because I don't have to concentrate so much while I'm trying to work out how this video stuff works. So I hope that's been of use to you, and I hope the sound quality on this video ain't been too bad. I've been trading outside today, nice sunny day, got a river that runs through the garden, and I know that can make for a bit of background noise, but very agreeable way to make a living, take the laptop outside, hours work and a couple of grand in the bank. So that's what it's all about at the end of the day.